Okay, so this is where we are at right now. This is the front because we're going to have the rainbow there. We can still see the wood. You turn it around. We've got this part covered. This, once the icing crusts over a little bit, you can even just kind of flatten it a little bit, like so. But like I said, you know, especially if you're not going to see the back, it's not that big of a deal. If you want it to look super neat, then do it with roll fondant. Okay, rainbow. Well, usually rainbow starts with like usually red, orange, yellow, green, blue, like purple or lavender. I'm omitting the red, and I'm just going to start. So let's see, I've got 5 colors here. So to make sure I get these in here, what I should really start with is the center. So the center is green. I just have these bags, and all I've done is cut a hole in the bottom. Just about, it's a pretty good size hole. It's a little bit bigger than a number 12 tip, a little bit bigger than that. It depends how thick your rainbow is. And if you want to use tips, you can certainly use a tip. I just thought a 12 might be a little small, so I wanted to go a little bit larger. So from the center, I just squeeze. All the way down to here. Okay. And then I'll go ahead, so the next color up would be yellow up here. And then orange at the very top. Okay, I have a little bit of a gap right there, so I just need to wipe off the end of the tip. The tip, you're saying there's no tip there. And just squeeze a little bit more in there. Okay, then we've got the blue. And purple. Look at that air bubble there. Looks like a little bit too much air in my bags. Okay, I can see the wood right in there where I just kind of messed that up. And what I'm going to do is take a little of that off. I don't want it to be too thick. Okay, now once this icing sets a little bit, what I'll do is I'll just kind of tap some of these air bubbles down. Around the base, where it's a little messy, go ahead and take some more of the white. And if you want, actually, you know how I could cover that up? I could do a cloud up there. Maybe do one up here. So I didn't even have to cover those spots up if I just did the cloud like that. Hello, what was I thinking? And voila! Okay, so that's that part. Let me move this out of the way. Show you the next step.